Yo, good morning. Good morning. I'm definitely stuffed up this morning, so you guys are absolutely going to hear it. But we're here, ready to make a bag. Let's see, let's send it out on the Instagram group, and then we're ready to go. All right. Boom. We good. What's up, Gerald, CJ, Alex, Chuck, Pat, Steve? Let me get through my levels, and if we have time, I'll go and take a look at SMCI. Again, super sorry that I'm stuffed up, but we are gonna make it do. Maria, JD, what's up? What's up? There we go. All right, let's get live on TikTok, and then we're ready to rock and roll. But yeah, very large flush yesterday based off of war news, and what I was seeing on Twitter is that Israel is planning to counterattack. So could be an interesting day in the market, especially if they do end up doing that, or over these next couple of days. We'll just have to wait and see. Let me pull up the U.S. economic calendar real quick. Boostful, what's up? Good morning. Today's Wednesday, so we had our ADP. We have 4 Fed speakers. Okay, so right off the bat, today is not ideal to trade. I hate when we have multiple Fed speakers throughout the day just because it makes the market super choppy, super hard to read. But we have one at 9 o'clock, 10:05, 11, and 12:15. So they're all relatively close to each other. So if you're going to trade today, I suggest just being very, very cautious. And if you do, take a lighter size. That's probably what I'm going to do unless I see something like super, super high probability. So, all right, let's go ahead. Let's look at these levels real quick. See what we can find. Hopefully find a banger setup. So as far as ES, I mean, we did get really, hold on. You guys hear me or hear my dog playing with her duck. She just brought me the toy and now we're gonna take it. All right. So as far as ES, we haven't tested that daily 21 EMA since over here 912. We also had that previous resistance right here. We got really, really close to testing the level. So I mean, if I'm gonna look for longs, it's gonna be down towards this level right here. Now, if we lose it, the next area I have as far as the daily isn't until way down here. So I can actually go ahead and delete most of this. That's everything as far as the daily. Going to the 4 hour, let's see. We do have new supply on the 4 hour from yesterday. So if we do pop up into that, I would be interested. Let's see, what is this all from? It's from 5809, which is the 45-minute, and actually the 40 or the 4 hour starts a little lower. Gonna have to label all these big old areas of supply. So 4 hour. If we were to pop up into this level, very interested in trying shorts. As far as the bounce, again, I think our best bet is that previous high. I don't see any supply over here until we got way down there. So that's it on the 4 hour. As far as the 2 hour, same thing. 2 hour demand's way down there. 1 hour. Would have been interested in the 1 hour 21. It's just we already hit it. So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to get that. really wouldn't consider that supply too much, but you can see we start getting our 1 hour supply up here. We talked about this in the live stream yesterday. I think that 1 hour. How'd everybody do yesterday, though? You guys make money? Take no trades, lose money. Hey, good morning. But that's it for the 1 hour. 30. Nothing on the 30 that I'm too interested in. And then 45. Same thing, we got our 45-minute supply. Cool. Well, let's watch this entire zone. Ideally, like this whole 5808 to like 5810.75 is going to be our best bet. Just because that is the beginning of the zone for a lot of these. So, right there is what we're going to watch. Very far away, but if somehow, some way we get up there, we will watch that. Same thing with SPY. Showed that demand yesterday. Still watching this this 565 to 564 level right here. Got very close yesterday. Daily 21 EMA, same thing, very, very close. So that's going to be my bounce level. As far as a reject, it's going to be up in the supply zone. Yeah, I should go ahead and take the wick on this one. No, I don't. We also have that other supply right there too. All right, so here's our larger supply zone. Perfect. We got our bounce down here. Demand down there on the 2 hour. Nothing on the 1 hour. 30. Nothing on the 30. So it looks like we only see the 4 hour supply on SPY, and actually a little bit of the 4 hour, or the, sorry, 45-minute right there. So if I'm looking for a reject today on SPY, it's going to be closer to 573. Again, a little far away, but if somehow, some way we got up there, I would be looking for a reject. So that's everything on ES and SPY. Very quickly, SPX. Already filled that gap. Really, 5,700. That's about it. That's all I really care about today. So nothing else there. And Q. My next bounce is 19,553. That was part of the weekly watch list, so hopefully you guys have that marked. Let's go to the 4 hour. Do a very nice 4 hour supply right there. Boom, so there's our supply zone. So from 20253 all the way up to 20324, we're going to be looking for shorts. As far as other areas that we could bounce, nothing on the 4 hour really. 2 hour, nothing there. No other supply. 1 hour. Unfortunately, already hitting that 1 hour 21 EMA. Would like to look for a reject there. We do have our 1 hour supply that starts right here as well. And it's 30-minute. Again, sorry I'm stuffed up. I think I'm a little sick, but we'll make it do today. 30-minute, nothing there, and 45-minute. Starts right below the 4-hour. Perfect. All right, so ideally for a reject today, I want to watch 20253 up to 20270. Obviously, we can push a little higher than that and reject, but the main area is going to be right here, the beginning of the zone. Cool. It's everything on NQ. It's going to be the same thing on QQQ. So watch this area for reject. Perfect. All right. Let's run through some individuals real quick. And as always, if you guys are finding value, make sure to hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Everybody in the TikTok, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. Or not that like button, sorry. The follow button. Go live every single morning, give you guys a free pre-market watch list. Plus, periodically throughout the week, I do live day trading. So if you guys want access to all that, make sure you're following. My ears won't unpop either. But Apple watching towards 220. Ideally looking for a swing here, so we'll see what happens. But as far as a day trade, don't really care about. AMD, don't care about. Amazon, it's getting relatively close to the fib, so we'll see, actually. Amazon, potentially. Boeing hit that 78.6 that we talked about yesterday. So a nice little push out of it. Coin, don't care about. Google, still holding up relatively well compared to the overall market. So I think if the market can get strong, I think Google would be a good stock to watch, especially above these highs. Above 167, so potentially Google. IWM, don't care about. Meta, same thing, relatively strong. Held up very well compared to the overall market yesterday. So I think if we can get some strength, Meta would be one to watch. Microsoft, if the market got weak, you could watch that to the downside. Nvidia, don't care about. You hear me with that? And Tesla. Nothing on Tesla right now. Maybe later in the week. Watch that 4-hour squeeze. So, yeah, like Amazon, Google, and Meta as far as individuals. Cool. Let's get it. Let's type up this watch list. Try to get added to the Zoom at the same time. All right. So we got ES. Good morning. Yeah, we're going straight from pre-market live stream into live day trading, which is why I went live a little later. All right, so yes, in the potential area, I like the longs is 57.21 to 57.26. Use this area. I'm looking for shorts. Reject supply. .25 5819.25. Pretty small zone. Only 11 points. Get a screenshot. If you're talking about long-term investment, that's completely up to you. No financial advice. Yes, there we go. Finally got added to Zoom. All right, yes, good, and Q. All right. Q. Bounce. 19503.5. Reject. Actually, shorts slash puts below yesterday's low. Reject. Supply. At 202532203224.75. Perfect. Alright, so NQ we're good, ES we're good. Then we had, what was it? Amazon potentially. I think I'm gonna keep this on the side. Just keep my alert down here. And then we had Google if the market got strong. Google held up relatively well compared. Low pre-market highs. 167. And then we had, what was it? Meta was also strong. Perfect. I do like Google more than Meta, I will say. Google and Meta. Again, make sure you guys take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Also, everybody, make sure you are subscribed to the YouTube channel. Go live every single morning. Pre-market watch list, live day trading, 1,100 videos teach you guys on how to trade for completely free. So if you're not subscribed, you're missing out. Everybody on TikTok, make sure you're following. Tap into the YouTube. The link is in my bio. All right, everything I'm watching today. Pretty much what I'm saying, everything I'm watching today. Keep in mind there are a lot of Fed speakers. Remember, we have like 4 of them today, so market could be choppy / hard to trade. So everybody just keep that in mind today. Don't go out there forcing trades. If there's a day to size down, it's today. Depending on the setup too. Obviously, if it's like a super high probability setup, then I would go heavier. But everything else, probably lighter size. But yeah, Team Bulls got the watch list. Let me give this to everybody in the, actually all the YouTube channel members. Give you guys a watch list first. Now I'll tell you guys what, while we're sitting here waiting to go live, once you guys hit, let's say, 75 likes in the YouTube live stream, I'll give it to you guys. But right now, Team Bull and YouTube channel members, you guys get the watch list. Again, everybody in TikTok, if you guys want access to it, come tap into the YouTube. Come tap on in. What time for Tesla? What time? Also, got a monster sitting here staring at me. I think it's time to crack it open. In the meantime, though, we got 30 minutes till market open. Anybody have stocks you guys want me to look at that I haven't already looked at? There we go. We're rocking the blue monster today. I don't think I've ever had this. Give it an 8 out of 10. What stocks you guys want me to look at? Everybody in the TikTok can throw them out there too. Crude oil. Got old CL. Rallied based off that news yesterday. I honestly think it's really going to depend on the war news. But we are still holding that 50% fib as far as like a setup that I actually care for, though. I'd say probably that 1 hour 21. Plus, you do have that 1 hour demand right there. I'd say that's your best bet. But yeah, like 71. Alrighty. Let's see. Nike. Tanked off our earnings. Where are we opening at? 82.50. I mean, it filled the gap to the downside, so personally don't really think there's anything there as far as Nike. Best bet would have been had we waited to break below this 84.70, and then you could have looked for the gap fill for puts. Or if we broke above 90.62, we could have looked for the gap fill at a 93.3. So that's what I would have watched on Nike as far as the setup now. Nothing. Obviously, the sugar free always. Let's see, what were the numbers? They missed by literally 1,010. I don't think that's a big deal. If I was Elon Musk, I would tell the analysts to suck it. I don't see them selling 462,000 cars. Exxon, and then we'll look at SMCI. Yes, Exxon is very, very strong. It does have that monthly squeeze. The monthly structure looks really good. I personally, like, if oil is going to go, this is going to go with it. So, but overall, that structure looks really good. We've been squeezing since November of last year, so almost an entire year we've been squeezing. So, but yeah, the last monthly candle close, that's super bullish right off that monthly 21. I personally think that this is going to crack highs and go. Actually, it looks like we're gapping up. Yeah. So, I mean, if you want to look for it up, look at it for an uptrend entry. 120 would be your best bet around that area. So that's everything on Exxon, SMCI. Again, good morning, everybody that's just tapping in. 35.7 to 30.50 is your best bet to look for amounts on SMCI. I do want to look at ESO because it did hit that fib. It's just not something I'm going to trade, but pivot low, pivot high, fib could potentially bounce. Not a volume behind it. I know, I think Grizzly's in longs. Hopefully it prints for him. All right, what other stocks you guys got? Make sure you guys are hitting that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We're also at 92,000 subs now. It's crazy. 92,000 UNH. Yes, sir. It's a big old gap up on this. What's up with that? I'm gonna assume news, but you're gonna get that previous bounce. I mean, really not too much blocking it until all-time highs. So if you want to look for an uptrend entry, you can. What I'd be more interested in is a pullback towards that weekly 21. Hold on, guys, sneeze. Okay, we're good. PDD. Another gap up from China. What is the how do you pull up the Chinese market on Thinkorswim? What's the symbol? Is it this? No, that's Japan. What's the Chinese market? Why can I not remember it? If anybody knows. But PDD filled that gap, huge gap up. Is it FXI? I know that. Yeah, they do have ETFs. There we go. Damn, imagine you had calls. I actually had a really nice wedge too. Anyways, all right. Go back to PDD. Sorry, I keep getting distracted. Honestly, I'd say your best bet's probably towards that 1 hour 21. Even like yesterday's high / yesterday's close. If you're looking for a bounce or a high risk break above 156. Is what I would watch. So that's everything on PDD. Maybe even your 4 hour 21 just because you didn't test it since over here last Friday. We've had a really large push. But yeah, I would watch both those areas. It's not like an amazing setup, but ideally above 156 just for an uptrend entry. See what can happen from there. But also keep in mind we did gap up a lot. Tesla. Yeah, they had they missed a total of 1,000 cars. It's overreacting to that. But I'll tell you what, everywhere I go, I be seeing Teslas everywhere. So I don't think 1,100 is going to make that big of a difference for Tesla. All right, we got 20 minutes until the market opens. Yeah, make sure you guys take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Everybody in TikTok, make sure you guys are following. Post this up again, live day trading. Cool. Yeah, I've actually seen a decent amount of Cybertrucks around Denver. Where I used to live, you wouldn't see them anywhere. But there's actually a very decent amount around here. Maybe Elon will give me one for free. But Brandon trades on the side. All right, let's get locked in for today. Let's get locked in. Perfect. Y'all ready to make a bag today? Big old bag, hopefully. Just hate that we have these Fed speakers. Bet. Yeah, I don't know though. Aren't the Cybertrucks like 120K? I feel like there's definitely a lot better cars that you could get for 120. It's a big fat down payment on a Lambo too. Shit, that's almost even a GTR, depending on what you get. Actually, that is a GTR. Do I like Denver? Absolutely love it. Best decision I ever made was to move over here. Let's see, 713. Oh, my ears finally unpopped. Yeah, I think if I were to ever get rid of my Tesla, it'd be a GTR or Lambo at that point. Nothing in between. Nothing in between. Ugh. All right. We are still bouncing that fib. See if they can hold it. But yeah, what you guys watching today? It looks like we're gonna get a little gap up on Rio. Say what's up to T-Mobile real quick. What's up, everybody? Good morning. How we all doing? What up? What up? Yeah, just keep in mind today, everybody, we got, I think it's like 4 or 5 Fed speakers. So, market could be a little hard to trade. All right, send my good mornings. Market's gonna open here in 15 minutes. What's everybody's favorite setup? Y'all got one today? Here, hold on 1 second. I'll be back. Type your favorite setup real quick. All right, I'm back. I don't see anybody typing their favorite setup. All right. Daily 21 on SPY. All right, all right. But yeah, if you guys are in this Rio swing with me, we're trying to break above the quarterly candle close high. So if we can get that, we should see the continuation. I gotta sneeze again. Oh, all right. But yeah, here's our high. Get above that. Boom. Continuation higher. Let's see what we can get today. But Rio looks really, really good. It's gonna move with silver. So silver goes, Rio goes. Yeah, I mean, I will say we're trading in a really weird area in the market. Sorry, it's gonna be boring for the next 10 minutes, but once market opens, we'll be good. We can do TikTok dances in the meantime if you guys want. Flip on the camera. Yeah, I've driven a Cybertruck. They're pretty big. And you can't see out the back either. It's weird not having like a rear view mirror. But it has the camera, which I guess helps. But yeah, it was weird. Alrighty. Tell you what, my throat's been hurting, and the carbonation from the monster makes it feel so much better. All right. Let's do this. 8 minutes. Lock in. If you could, honestly, let's look at Tesla real quick. I would say if you could take a pivot low, pivot high, and look for a fib reject, that'd probably be your best bet, to be honest with you. Maybe like this 244 level. But yeah, that's probably what I would look for. Let's just pray that there is no choppiness today. No choppiness, A plus setups. That'd be nice. Be a nice change of pace in the market. We'll say that. Or not go straight down or straight up, not give any entry, and then just sit there forever. Yes, sir. A plus setups only. If we get it, we take it. If not, oh well. Just talking to yourself in the chat. That's funny. Hold up. They made a pickleball game on Xbox, dude. Best believe your boy's about to be playing that. Why not? All right, 5 minutes to Lupin. Yeah, you want the live lit? Let's get it. Again, real quick, everybody in the YouTube live stream, make sure you guys take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated, especially because your boy is kind of sick and I'm still on here live streaming for you guys. So if you guys could like the live stream, it would be greatly appreciated. Everybody in the TikTok, make sure you guys are following. Go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Plus, periodically throughout the week, give you guys live day trading. So make sure you're following. Check out my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. Over 1,100 videos teach you guys on how to trade for completely free. So if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, highly suggest you guys take 2 seconds, head on over to the channel, and click that subscribe button. Plus, I dropped a new video yesterday. I think it's pretty fire. 11 minutes on how to grow a small futures account. Can even apply to options as well. So whatever your heart desires, it'll help with. All right, start minimizing everything, getting locked in. Yeah, we'll see what happens at that daily 21. Yeah, it really depends on the price action. But right now, very, very choppy in the pre-market. I'm on here, just chilling, waiting for the market to open. Where's everybody else at? Everybody sleeping? Mr. J Dunn. What's up, Shaza? Good morning. Whew, thank God you're here, Abu. Let's fire up a band early in the morning. How about that? Keep it up. All right, I don't know where everybody's at, so you guys are stuck with me for a little bit.
What's going on, everybody?
There he is.
What's up, Rando?
What's up?
What's going on? What's up, people from media? What's up? They have the big C turnstiles for policy, meditate prices again. I found out too much about smart myself for late Dustin Gilbas, and forever. Got to judge myself, stands man, night tag, what's good, everybody? Wow, it's so happy birthday, bro. So,
What you watching today? I want to keep an eye on this Google. It's been relatively strong compared to the market. I'll also watch that 565 on the spot.
what's up, Grizzly here? Things are getting here. Sir. Say this part about being on the bags. Come on.
Come on, Grizzly. I'm sick. I'm here. We close above this 167 on Google on the 5 minute with a bullish candle. Then, oh my God, I can't talk. The next pullback towards 167, I'm going to look for calls.
See. Let's catch this. Today.
What's up?
It's up crazy. It's black. Yeah. Just
Congrats on the house, bro.
appreciate it. The dogs bark. Say, load up. Bugs. Load them up.
Yeah, nothing on that Google.
Okay, let's see what we can get moving. See, Christmas nonsense. We talking on those? What's up, baby? What's up? Talking on the best for one. See here. What's the basic plan? I feel like we're on your video.
What's up, everybody in the stream? Real quick. Jadon, you hear me? All right, we're good. What's up, everybody? Starting to get a little something out of Rio. A little something, something.
Yeah, China had to make the apple pump. Holy crap, 115. What stimulus? I see we have Greg and Green Eyes. Oh, that's been too shorts. Greg and Green Eyes. 1990. Yes, 1920. Both solid entries so far. Like it's basically seriously. Man, I'm on a trip out here. Trip was fun to count to. Tried it out for the first time. Hey, nice job with the two shorts, boys. Guys.
Squad is printed on the shorts.
Nice job, guys. Great guys. Good stuff. Good stuff, fellas.
Right, yesterday's low. I want to see what happens here. Oh, premiums are pretty juicy today, too. Keep that in mind.
It is MDM. I must have a soft launch this week. Hey, should stay strong, you guys. Ready? You ready? Ready? You gonna try it with us?
Give me some accounts, bro. All right. Lost yesterday's low. We were trading close to that area I was watching. Let's watch it's a little closer to 57.18. I think that offers the best risk to reward. See where Spies is at. Spies is at 564.2. So if I'm gonna look for calls, it's a little closer to that level. Last time Spy tested it was the 11th. So let's see. 564.2 slash 0.3. I mean, we're kind of even getting close to this other level that I had, but I guess we'll see. I do have calls put up though.
I'm gonna watch this 564. Otherwise, I won't watch today's consolidation.
Would like to see one large push down into the level. Could potentially bounce here because we are having three decreasing 5-minute candles on SPY, at least not on the futures. But again, we're not at like a key level for me right now, so I don't really care about that. There is odds that we could end up bouncing, but again, I want to trade key levels. I will watch exactly 565 and then 564.3. Bounce, we could watch there to there. Reject here, reject here. We'll see. Depends if we bounce right here.
We're live, bro. Yeah, he's not very good. I just texted him, so.
Alright, let's watch these fibs. Gonna watch puts on this pop up.
Yeah, so I'm watching currently. You should wait the first 15 minutes to trade this, I'm sure you know.
Gonna watch this.
Sorry, what?
Gonna watch this 566.5 and 566.8 for a potential reject.
I was gonna watch like 567 here. Stop both high day. Give the spikes and 80% risk if you keep pumping. 'em. 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 past the 15-minute mark, so we'll just continue to go for some trades. Almost just fit my demands up front, but that's aggressively. We also have Jared Tedler today, everybody. Everyone's been here, everyone new. Our trading psychology coach, all the momentum game and trading will be on at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Great power hour.
All right, I'm watching this level right here.
Points on there, so I want that. As far as EPA goes, it's not really a setup I want to see. Looks alright.
Yeah, it looks like no entry for me.
Yeah, usually these 1 minute candles are increasing in volume, increasing candlestick size. I can't show this. Not yet. Need some confirmation back down, I will. Is anybody trying to team me? I don't think so. Not in voice. Yeah, try some but it was 5,700 for the end, or this yet. I mean, some, but yeah. Did a liquidity grab there? What was it?
All right, so personally, no puts or shorts for me on this. At 5 minutes, just way too strong for me to try to short.
No, I like that area too. It's just the volume thinking that's my system. I do like the area. I like the idea.
Let's get a different viewpoint on the market. Was watching that 50 and 61.8 for a potential reject, but started closing above it. We did close below the 78.6. A little bit of increased volume on that 2 minute, but the 5 minute in general is just, I'm not trying to short that. Is there a chance that it could drop? Absolutely. But is the odds in my favor? No. It's not something I would typically trade. But in the meantime, at least we got Rio pushing. Show you what I mean by the 78.6, how we were rejecting it. Right there. So yeah, we failed to go higher above that. It's just not like an ideal setup for me. Let's see, how much am I up on Rio? Nice. $20 contract. I'm with it. Damn, Coca-Cola is $71 a share right now. I didn't even realize that. Apparently, silver's pushing too. I think with the war news, because we are still positioned in silver equity and Rio, which is a silver miner. I think, if the war news does escalate, then silver is going to be the one to go. Plus, I mean, if we just pull up a quarterly on silver in general, it's a big fat breakout. We go to this chart. Everything's so bullish about this. We have higher on balance volume than we did when silver was at $48. So, yeah, your boy is pretty bullish on silver. That's why we're in Rio. So, very nice looking setup. Anyways, go back to the chart. I wonder. Yeah. We'll just wait. I think we have another Fed speaker here in 7 minutes, I believe. I know they're all relatively close to each other. Let's see. Here's an event. 10:05. So in 10 minutes. What you guys watching right now? Everybody in TikTok and YouTube. Super patient right now. Exxon is moving. I don't even remember the last time I traded Exxon. It's been a while. I think when oil was going crazy was the last time. So what was that? 2022?
I'm waiting to. Yeah. I like the air duct videos, fans. My VPA has been burned. And by my system. Just can't do it.
Be interested to see what happens if we actually touch 5,700
See, well,
on SPX.
my don't think and risk.
Oh,
It's all good to take that 565 down. It's that area of resistance turn support. It's huge in the daily chart. Huge in the weekly chart. Just try and call this for a balance if we on a little down.
still nothing from me. Thank you for the subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Again, everybody in the TikTok, make sure you guys are following. It would be greatly appreciated. Go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Also do live trading periodically throughout the week. Everybody in the YouTube live stream, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed. Again, it would be greatly appreciated. Over 1,100 videos on this channel teaching you guys on how to trade for completely free. So if you're not subscribed, you're definitely missing out. Everybody on TikTok, if you guys want to tap in, link is in my bio. All right, we're about to hit 5,700. Let's see.
Was that about? Did we have some moves or what? No. Get the volume push. I'll tell you that. I was a little worried about low there. 5,700. Solid. Volume on these pushes out. It's pretty aggressive.
We just blew through 5,700. So I'm going to go off on a limb and say no trades from your boy so far. Thank you for the subscribe. Greatly appreciated.
I was asking me, it's going to be on at 10:45 Eastern time. So like 45 minutes. Yes, I'll do this morning.
Okay, so we close below 50. I can't short this right now. Just can't. Might regret it, but does not meet my criteria. Feel like it's going to be one of those days. least we got Rio moving a little bit. Y'all want to play chess in the meantime? I'll play some chess. I would play chess, but I don't want everybody to leave. Tell you what, we sit in this range for another 20 minutes. We will be playing chess. Do some. I'm just waiting for levels. I don't really watch, like, obviously a candle like this, I want to pay attention to because I don't want to short that. But mainly I'm waiting for key levels with volume. And right now we're just trading in between the support zone I had and pre-market highs. But unfortunately, at the support zone I had, we didn't really get any confirmation. So
taking some longs calls if we did well 565 down to the 564 range.
yeah, literally. 30 minutes super bullish though, but I never trade a 30-minute time frame. Huh. Let's take a look at QQQ. Not a whole lot going on there either. I wanted to see some like bullish reaction. Like we literally just dropped to it and then just ripped. Like we didn't get night and oh my god, I can't talk. We did not get a nice long lower wick, anything bullish about it. Yes, we got this very bullish candle. I would have liked to see some kind of pullback, you know, maybe a little lower to then look for a long to take it back up, but we just consolidated right here and then pushed back to the upside. So, yeah. We're fighting this 5,700 right now. Slightly closed above 5,700. Slightly. I'll tell you what, till we get some kind of big move either above this pre-market high or we start breaking down, I say we play some chess and chill. Where's my chess game at? I'll put it right here. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna vibe. Till we either get a big move up or a big move down. We vibing. We playing chess. Name another YouTuber doing this. I'm not the best though, I will say that. Absolutely not the best. So don't judge my gameplay. I remember playing that way back in the day. Oh, damn. Give me that. I don't want my horses. We're actually going to break this pre-market high. That'd be amazing. No, I'm not in no position. This market's booty. Look at it. It's literally doing nothing. Let's see if I take that. You jump me there. Take that. Jump me there. Go there. Jump me. We'll go back here. Yeah, we'll go here. Let's see. Can this thing go? Yes, it can. So he'll jump me there. Jump me there. Could go there, but I believe the horse would get me there. Yeah. Hmm. All right, finally gonna break this. Oh shit. Well, that's a rip. All right, we're about to break this pre-market high. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that's what the market's been doing though. Like, to me, I personally like, if I were to take a trade, I would have liked to see us dip back down somewhere in this fair value gap to then look for a long entry because we did bounce off of support. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, look at this. Right, this was that previous resistance turn support level I was watching. It's just it didn't even give like a confirmation. Right? So this was just too big of a candle because then we had to leave our stop right here, but had we dipped a little lower, then we have a better risk to reward. So now that we're finally breaking this pre-market high, I mean, I don't have a reject, and we start getting way up there, but we can look for some kind of uptrend entry now.
Stay patient. I already know that if you do end up doing a slow trend update, your health and life is just not on my edge. But you might get some crazy movements.
Little puss.
Next few months, so.
Let's see, he would jump me there.
Time to strike.
Could he get me anywhere? I don't think so.
Basically, it's like a bomb TS sign.
This can go to the left, right, yeah. Man, you suck.
Whatever level we take, 5-minute close with the bids above it, it's not.
I say I kind of wanted to take that. Ah, you suck. Whatever.
Now the person wants to start selling back down to 57.
Oh no. Oh no. Fine with that. Ah, damn. Oh no, guys, I might get cooked. I might get cooked. Unless I can get a surrender on him. Damn. Let's see, actually. All right, so we're liquidity sweeping that high. Decent amount of volume behind it. See what happens if we dip a little lower. Literally, this is what we're doing right now. So you know the market ain't doing nothing. About to get cooked on level 1, guys. I tried. We're gonna get a surrender on him.
Shorts, flexible now.
Bang. Did I get the dub? Does that mean I win? I don't know, you guys let me know. I'm not too familiar with this chess stuff. But I believe that means I got the dub. Certified trader, certified chess player. Call me Brandon Chess.
Let's it's fine.
Alright, we're done with that.
Yes.
Alright. There's a lot of volume at that level. Bam. We got the dub.
Sorry, Rich. This next pop up is 567. 6. So, try hyperspace all. That 568 is time for Are you taking the picture? Yeah.
I think you'll be okay, Sam.
Pulse. But, yeah, I'm gonna try some of this pop up. 568 to 567.7.
Might as well have fun when the market's not doing anything that I like.
I don't like price action, but the higher scatter rate, 567.7. This is the spot. Yeah, kind of 568-ish. It's the main one, 568, like 568.2.
I'll see what happens if we pop back up towards this. That way we can have a stop right above this high, because that is a lot of volume. But we'll see.
Around 1,000. Well, we're going, so I'll put 2 grand plus trade.
They're fibs, but honestly, what I would like to see is the 618.
Small loss. With a much dollar loss. They also lost 568.8. Don't love this price action up here in your all-time highs, but it's worth a try for the entry. This is my main head.
No trades from your boy.
60, 70, except for the rest of it's fine. Yes.
Show you guys nothing. I don't know if you can see it actually. It might be getting blocked by the banner. It is. But there's no trades there. You can see it on TikTok. Kind of see it on YouTube. You can see that there's no like highlights right here.
This is 5 minute, above this 568. So, let's see. Oh, what's up, Danny? Danny's back in the house.
We're at the level, but I don't see anything confirming. I'm gonna give the market another 30 minutes. See, I can't short this and I can't long it. Like just dead ass. This price action is not good. Why do I have so many ads in
We
the
break
chat?
this, time has been the previous 5 minute candle, like 568.4 cent almost. Not gonna get played around. Save about 40 cents for 50 cents for the stop loss. Now I like this price action, so I'd like to see us flush 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 by 9 again.
Sorry. I had to sneeze.
20 cents in spot, so really small. Scary, it's a little bigger. This break is 568.4 up. So,
I just saw your stuff in the chat, Alex.
right, this area, I'm going to get out, take my small loss. Alright, but I'm strong 568.5. It's my final verdict. Saving about 40 cents for the stop loss. Land was 568.9. You can definitely see this point about this week to 568.5. I don't want to stop. So, main area lost around 30 cents in SPY. My risk area lost around 15-ish, 16. Sorry, fellas.
All right, so if I'm looking for calls or longs, I want to see us build a base above this pre-market high. Honestly, puts not too interested until we get up to that supply zone, unless we get something in between that says, hey, let's take shorts, but it's another like 50 points away. Yeah, when the market does not offer you your edge, you sit on your hands. Chill. Oh, why thank you, Cisco. No trades today. Chilling. Just vibing.
Well, now the market is red. Anyone's in calls.
We hit my bounce earlier, it's just we didn't get any confirming price action, which sucks. I didn't want to just take it just because we hit the level, because I'll tell you what, you get burned 9 times out of 10 when you do that. So it's unfortunate that we hit it and bounced, but yeah, and then I was watching a reject. I couldn't take the reject because too strong of a 5-minute candle right here off that level, plus we didn't really confirm the reject. Then everything in between, I mean, yeah, we rejected this pre-market high. Is that a setup that I like to trade? Not really. So didn't end up taking that. Would have liked to see us dip down closer to this area right here if I was going to look for calls. They're buying it up off of VWAP. No reason to go long off of VWAP because of this candle right here. Very strong selling momentum, reject of pre-market highs. And now we're kind of just chilling. You can look for swings here in about like 10-15 minutes though, see if we find anything. Run through the scanners if you guys want to.
All-time high. It's not my favorite action. It's not.
Also, if you guys aren't already, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I do post a lot on there as well. It was like a year and a half, 2 years, but I don't want you to think that like becoming profitable, like consistently profitable means like $1,000, $2,000 days right off the bat. I mean, 20, $50 a day was good for me. So that's like when I was consistently doing that. It's about like a year and a half, maybe like 2 years, somewhere around there. All right, so SPY is holding above pre-market highs. ES is trying to. And we're failing again. Any questions y'all got for me?
It's I swear that's a joke. So. You sold me.
All right, I'll give it 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes, and then we're looking for swings. Do appreciate you guys tapping in, keeping me company though during the boring ass market. If we can actually get a 5-minute candle close up here.
So, uh,
Just been stuck in between orders all day too. Most of the day actually. This is actually trash. There's a few swings that I have on watch, but the main one that I'm in is the heck? How do I get that to go away? The main one is Rio that I'm in right now. I still have, I think it's only 3 contracts. It's 2 or 3 contracts on my IYR still. I made a big fat bag off of this trade. I have to go back and add it up, but I think it was somewhere near like 10K on this trade, maybe a little more. That's just like a rough guesstimate. I have to actually add up everything. 10 or 11K, something like that. But we do have that daily 21 EMA pushing up a little bit. So looks like this might be our first 5-minute candle officially closing above pre-market highs. I'd like to see a little more momentum. Typically Tuesday through Thursday is my best. I found Monday and Friday is typically, actually Monday is like more so the trash day, but Friday is kind of like a hit or miss. But Tuesday through Thursday is typically my best. Sorry, it's been another boring day, everybody. But you guys do get to see both sides of trading. Patience behind being profitable. What you guys thinking? You guys seeing anything in the live stream? Again, real quick, make sure you guys are following everybody on TikTok. Go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys free watch lists for the day, plus periodically throughout the week do some live day trading. Everybody on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed. Over 1,100 videos on here. Plus, like I said, free pre-market watch list, live trading throughout the week. And everybody on TikTok, if you guys want to tap into the YouTube, the link is in my bio, or just head on over to YouTube, type in Brandon Trades. I'll pop right up. Right there. There we go. Now we're finally clearing those sellers. Now we're moving. Oh, I gotta sneeze. All right. So, literally nothing. Nothing at all. See this 15-minute candle. I want to see how it closes. We ended up taking out a lot of stops up there, so I'm going to see what happens with this 15. Might not even let me see what the 15-minute does. So that was a lot of stops that we took out up there. We got a larger red 15-minute candle with like how it's forming right now and stay in this general area. That might be something I'm interested in for shorts, but we'll have to see. 5 minutes to see how this candle closes. If I don't like this 15-minute candle, we're gonna look for swings. We're gonna look for swings. I ain't taking this. Let's see what we can find. Pull up my scanners. Alright, let's see. We're not hitting anything on the daily. Let's go to our 2-day. Okay. We got a few 2-day squeezes. Alright, so Apple's back at that 2-day level. I prefer the 3-day level on Apple. That's what I'm going to watch. A little closer to 221. NVAX. That's a 2-day, 3-day, and a week. Actually, that 3-day looks really good. And it closes today. The weekly even better. We could potentially go with equity, actually. Let's keep this on watch. We could do... I believe the candle closes today. Actually, sorry, what was... The 30th was... Monday. So Monday to... Yeah. So the 3-day should close today. I really like the weekly. And we could look to take it back up into here. Maybe even the options, but I definitely prefer the equity. It looks really good on the weekly. So keep NVAX on watch going into Friday. There's a very high probability that we will be taking a swing on that. If you guys know my swing trading strategy, that's like picture perfect right there. So NVAX, we'll watch that. Don't care about that. HP potentially on the weekly. Yeah, I mean, kind of the same on the weekly. I like the NVAX more. TXN. Same thing. We got a 2-day, 3-day, and weekly. Don't care about that. And then we had SOHU. All right, so yeah, really not too much there. The daily scanners aren't picking up on anything. The 3-day has Exxon. That already went. And we talked about Exxon earlier. Well, that's really that all hit the scanner today. I ran through the monthlies and quarterlies yesterday, or 2 days ago with the close. Surprised that we're not picking up on anything as far as the daily. Let's try squeeze swings. Updated. See if it picks up on anything. Nothing. Well, yeah, keep an eye on NVAX. That looks really, really good for a swing. So it's more so going to be based off the weekly. We got to wait for Friday's close. But we can look for the longs with a stop right below 11. So we're risking about like $2-3 for a potential move all the way back up into like 23, 24, which is going to be around like a $10 move.
Sounds like a pretty good risk reward if you ask me. But I'm gonna call it a day here. I'm gonna get some food in me. Go hit either legs or shoulders at the gym. And yeah, no day trades today. Today or yesterday, actually. No good opportunity. So I'm gonna sit on my hands, wait for the market to offer me a better setup. And when that happens, I'll strike. So let's do live day trading again tomorrow. Maybe Friday, depending on how I'm feeling. Everybody have a blessed day. Make sure you're subscribed. Everybody in TikTok, make sure you're following. And yeah, I'll be live tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Everybody take it easy. Peace out.